told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, you already know based on the thumbnail what she's giving. Yes, it is time for another COCOTIQUE unboxing and review. I am coming through with the October 2021 unboxing. So we will be taking a look at what came in the October beauty box. Now, COCOTIQUE is a monthly subscription beauty box specifically curated for women of color, in particularly my natural girls. Okay, so if you are interested in learning more about great products, great prices, and you want to take advantage of using my discount code to save you some coin, then you definitely want to stay tuned so that you catch that unboxing. So please make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you double tap on that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that the COCOTIQUE reviews are uploaded. And in the meantime, there is a full COCOTIQUE playlist where you can get caught up. So until next time, guys, I want to thank you for coming over, checking out this short video. Stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you all at the review. Peace.
The drama, cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, baby.